In this video, I want to show you how to run Android apps on your PC without using any emulators. Without using emulators, you can install it. So just open your browser and then search for Windows Subsystem for Android and hit the enter key. When it opens, come to this first link, GitHub. Make sure you click on this very link. Click on it to open the page. And when it opens, scroll down the page to a section where you select your operating system. So scroll down to this very page, and here you have it available for Windows 11 and Windows 10. And also we have pre-release, which is not stable, but in my case I want to download for Windows 10 and I'm downloading the latest stable version. So click on the latest stable version and then it will open this page. Scroll down to the bottom of this page under the section called Assets. Yes, here is Assets. Then we are downloading the first one. Click on the first link, and when you click on it, it will start the download. So the download has started and it is about 714 MB. So this may take some time to download depending on the strength of your network. Then after the download, let me show you the next step. The first thing before installation, you need to do some settings on your system so that it can run smoothly and also so that it can install successfully. So come to search, and here search for turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. When you click on it, it will open this page. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see an option called Virtual Machine Platform. If it is not checked, kindly check it so that it will run smoothly. Check it and click on OK. So when you click on it and click on OK, it will search for required files. This may take some time, but just wait for it to finish running. So it's applying the changes. So once it is done, you can see Windows completed the requested changes. So you will need to restart your system. So just click on Restart to restart your system. So by restarting your system, it will apply the changes. After restarting your system, it is time to install the Windows Subsystem. Just go to your download file, right click and extract it. It is advisable you extract with 7-zip. You can also extract with other extractor. So click on OK to extract the file. So this may take few seconds to extract it. After extraction, you can see the folder here. So double click it. Double click to open it. Then scroll down and come to this option called Run. Here is the file Run. So right click and click on Run as Administrator. Then it will bring this notification. So click on Run. When you click on Run, it will open this margin results page. So it will take some time also here. So just be patient with it and allow it to finish this process. So it will run for some time, just as you can see on the screen. Then it will bring this notification. What you can do here, you can click on continue at this stage, or you can click on any key to exit this page below. Just click on any key. Then here, click on continue. Click on continue again. Once you do that, it will open this Windows Subsystem for Android and this will also take some time, so just wait for it to finish the process. And you can see notification here, finishing system update is at 71%, so you just have to wait for it to finish updating. And let me minimize this page. So once it's finished updating, you can come to start icon, click on it, and here you can see Play Store is already installed. Play Store is already installed. So click on Play Store to launch Play Store on your PC. So click on Allow. Then it will require you to sign in to your Play Store account, that is Google account. So click on Sign In, enter your details and sign in. So it will verify your informations and sign you in to Google Play Store. So just wait for it to finish the verification process. So it will sign you in. Just click on skip to skip this notification or tips, and here you are in Google Play Store. So to start searching for your game or software or apps, so come to this section called search, click on search, and here on the search bar, search for example, search for Hill Climb Racing. Hill Climb Racing. Then it will bring the app. Click on install. When you click on install, you can see it's verifying it, and here you can see just as it will run on Android, the same process, and here it has started downloading it. So after downloading, it will start the installation. You can see it's installing. Then after installation, you can open it here by clicking on play. So when you click on play, Hill Climb Racing will start. And here we go. So for launching it for the first time, it will take some time to load. And you can see it's loading. And this is how to run Android apps on your PC without using any emulators. And here we go. Click on accept, and then just click on start to start your Hill Climb Racing. Thank you for watching.